Hi, greetings from All Roads Dodge. Today I'd like to show you the 2018 Dodge Grand Caravans. These aren't just normal Caravans, these are GTs. They came in, they're a really good deal. We got two of them. The granite one's $1,000 more. It's got only 19,000 kilometers. The red one, yeah, $1,000 less than the granite one. They're really good deals. They got fog lights on them, as you can see. The GT headlights, the GT wheels. They have top end tires. They got Michelin tires on both of them. Heated leather seats, power seat, lumbar. We got power sliding doors. You can do it with the fob or the door. Another spot here to shut them. There's one at the front of the vehicle as well. There's power liftgate, backup camera. They're both 7-passenger seating, of course, with the quad captain's chairs, front and rear. They're both equipped the same way. That, like I said, heated leather. In the GTs, you got this beautiful red stitching. Like I said, power doors, Bluetooth. We'll just go take a look at this red one inside the red one, but they're identical other than the exterior color. Again, your power seat, your black leather stitching. We'll fire this one up. They both do have remote start. Bluetooth, backup camera, satellite radio. Nice big screen. We'll try out the backup camera here. There you are. And then, like I said, you get your heated steering wheel, heated seats, front and rear air. It does have power window groups. You can open up the windows on the second and third row. Fog lights. Nicely equipped van. Also has lots of storage up top, and with the stow and go when the seats aren't folded in the door, in the floor, there's lots of storage in below. Come see them today at 425 Queen Street West in St. Mary's, or visit us online at allroads.ca. Just giving you another quick look at the red one here, but they're both really good shape. Just came in, very good deal, and like I said, they're not a basic van, they're GT models, so really nice van. Come see us today.